Corrosion. Corrosion is the deterioration of a material due to electromechanical attack from the environment. It depends on the chemicals present, temperature, exposure, and etc. It is the formation of compounds on a surface of material. Corrosion redox reaction. The oxidation. It occurs at the anode. It is the loss of electrons, and it is where anodes dissolves. Some of the examples are sodium chloride. The sodium and chlorine become one or compact when an electron was lost by sodium and gained by chlorine. The process of sodium giving off its electron is called oxidation. This concept on the first example is followed by the two remaining examples given. Calcium gives off its electron to sulfur and results to the fusion of those elements. They become a compound called calcium sulfide. The reduction occurs at the cathode. It is the gain of electrons and it depends on what is available. For example, iron 3+, when added with 3 electrons, it becomes neutral. Another example is aluminum 3+. When added with 3 electrons, aluminum becomes neutral, and so as to the third example. Because of corrosion, metal corrodes when it reacts on another substance such as oxygen, hydrogen, an electrical current, or even dirt or bacteria. Corrosion can also happen when metals like steel are placed under too much stress, causing the material to crack. When an iron is exposed to water and oxygen, the metal area, which is the center of the water droplet, have an oxidation process, and the area on the edge of the metal have the reduction process. In negative terminal, each ion atom gives up 2 electrons. This process is called oxidation. On the other side, electrons are released on the negative terminal and flows to the positive terminal where oxygen dissolved in the water to receive electrons to form hydroxide ions. This occurrence is called reduction. The iron 2 hydroxide is oxidized by oxygen, and this results to form iron 3 oxide hydrated, or commonly called as rust. To sum it up, iron is first oxidized to iron ions by oxygen. In the second step, the iron ions are further oxidized and combined with water and oxygen gas to produce a hydrated form of iron oxide known as rust.